Welcome back to Rolling Country Outdoors. Scott here this morning. We are about to pour concrete this morning. Finish up this patio around the sidewalk that ties into the front. So it's been setting for a few weeks. So we're going to get this poured and the other side of the house, get it poured today. So Landry and I got our work cut out for us. Landry are the grunts and Ron's the he'll be the one finishing it. So here we go.
We'll have to get a look at it before we actually decide on that. I want to get the other side done, but that's something to start with.
Okay. Concrete time. Here we go. Got Landry out here. Okay, we are getting ready to pour this morning. I'll get the truck ready. Truck's here. Landry's out here. He's gonna run the wheelbarrow here on this side. You ready for this? Reason to go to the gym today.
I can drag it. Yeah, that's soft brown. Yeah. That's fine. Yeah, did you do it? Go ahead by that. Not sure about it.
This all turned out good. Hopefully water disperses out of here better. We always had standing water over here. There's a natural spring up underneath there, so hopefully we left up underneath here was a drain, and we left the drain there, put rock around it, and we're hoping it will all drain up underneath there into that drain, which then goes off down to the creek. So we're hoping that's how this goes. We will see. Overall, looks good. Looks real good. We're happy with it. Here's the other side. So it's basically the sidewalks around the house. So this goes from the back patio up to the front porch. That's all forward. Got a nice little slope there. Should have, water should run off. Ties it into the back patio. So haven't decided which stain we're gonna go with. We need to call that company and talk to them. So maybe we'll do that today. We are gonna let this set up today. It's supposed to rain later tonight. Hopefully it doesn't bother it. Anyway, this is where we're going to end this video, and everything turned out good. It was a good day. 6.5 yards, wasn't too bad. Got the sidewalks done, so everything looks good. And thanks for watching the video, and we'll catch you on the next video. Y'all have a good evening.